So this week we do have a couple of Code Easy chapters. And so there's two different sections of key points that you need to look at. One on type conversion and method parameters with a video that goes with, and another on the switch statement, which is a very powerful programming statement that is used in pretty much every language. So make sure you read through these. And if you watch the video on maybe a mobile device, while you are looking through the notes, it will explain everything to you. Then we get into the Code Easy assignments. You only need to complete the exercises that are specified. Okay, so there are 4 in type conversion and method parameters. And I do have helpful hints for all 4 of those. So if you pull this up, you can see the help for each section. And you'll notice that I even give you an algorithm, which is English-like statements that basically walk you through what you should do. And for the next Code Easy, there are 4 exercises, and this is specifically on the switch statement. And you'll notice that I have help for 3 of them. And with this one, especially for track the delivery drones, make sure you look at the helpful hints because I did not think the directions were very clear. So I have clarified them for you. So hopefully you will not have problems completing it correctly. And then we get into the lab assignment, which I think you guys are going to enjoy, especially program number 2. So for this, program 1 is required. And for program 2, you have a choice. Get to the instructions here. So program 1, everybody has to do. And the point of this program is so that you understand the difference between call by value and call by reference. The video is going to basically walk you through creating this program and explain call by value and call by reference to you. So you know what you are checking. Okay, and you know what these little methods that you are creating are doing. Okay, that's the first exercise. The second exercise, you have a choice. You can do option A or option B. Both programs involve games. Okay, so option A is like a racing game. Okay, and so here is like the program kind of skeleton that you'll copy and paste into Visual Studio. And then I've basically got algorithms for each of the methods. So you'll start with the standing method and code that. Then you'll code the move character method, and then you'll code the main method. And the video walks you through how to do the whole thing. Okay, so if you watch the video on a mobile device while you're doing the assignment, you should not have any issues with it. Option B. So this is more of a story game where you have to pick a path and you're either going to go left or right, and then different things are going to happen. And you've got health units, magic units, and lives, and those numbers are going to change depending on which direction you pick. And if you last 25 rounds, you made it through the forest. Okay. So for this one, I've given you the whole entire program, but a lot of the code is missing. So where you see the comments, this is where you need to insert code. And the video for this option shows you how to do that. Okay, so If you do both option A and option B correctly, I will give you extra credit, but you are only required to do one of them. Okay. So if you do one, it's worth 30 points. That's part of the assignment. If you do both and you do them correctly, I will give you the 30 points plus 20 points extra credit. Okay. And these videos are going to show you how to complete the tasks correctly. Okay. And then I want all of the code in this Dropbox, even if you do the extra credit. As far as where your extra credit points are going to go, I will put those in this Dropbox. So you will get the assignment points here and any extra credit points down here. Okay, and then I've got additional resources for you on all of the different topics that were covered this week. So hopefully you are not going to run into any problems, but if you do, you know, you can always send me your code and I will take a look at it and help you. Hopefully you guys have fun writing up those games. Have an awesome week and let me know if you have any questions.